Hi, in last video we have discussed about the types of UAVs. Now we will see the applications of the UAVs. So nowadays we are using these UAVs for different type of applications. One of the most is uh, agriculture. So we can see how they are using uh, these drones in agriculture. So UAVs equipped with cameras and sensors can monitor crop health. So here, this UAVs was equipped with some sensors, and these sensors will collect the data, and it will send to a farmer. So they can observe how the crops is growing, and what are the infections, and what are the nutrient deficiencies. Okay, they can identify easily nowadays. Okay, this is the main application nowadays we are using. And second one is environmental monitoring. These UAVs can monitor wildlife populations, track animals movements, and conduct conservation research. Okay, this is a one example. Okay, next one is infrastructure inspection. Here mostly we will use it for building inspections and power line monitoring. See the definition. Building inspections. UAVs can inspect the buildings, bridges, and other structures for damage where maintenance needs. Okay, this UAVs can go and it will inspect the buildings wherever we're having a cracks or any damages. It will detect and it will give the data, and we can maintenance easily. So we don't require any manual power. Same as a we can use it for power line monitorings. They are used to inspect the power lines and towers, reducing the need for manual inspections. So if you use the drones, we don't need any manual inspections. So this is the one of the advantage, and this is a mainly safety for and engineers or else who are working in there as a technician. To traffic management, UAVs provide real-time traffic monitoring, okay, and aiding in traffic control and accident response. Okay, so these UAVs will monitor the traffic, and this data will transfer to a control room, and they can observe from control room itself. So in this way also they are using the drones. Now one of the important application, military and defense applications. How nowadays we are using the drones in military applications. Okay, so we can see reconnaissance and surveillance. UAVs are used for gathering intelligence, monitoring enemy movements, and conducting surveillance missions. Okay, so here you can say these UAVs can gather the intelligence informations and monitoring enemy movements. Okay, and conducting surveillance missions. So nowadays we are using the fixed wing UAVs or also multi-rot UAVs mostly in surveillance missions. Okay, for surveillance. And some of the UAVs is there is like delta wing or self distraction UAVs. That UAVs also we are using for target acquisition. They assist in identifying and tracking target for precision strikes. Okay, and border patrol. Okay, some UAVs is there. So these UAVs can use it for border patrol. Use it monitor and patrol borders to detect illegal activities and enhance national security. We are using these are the some applications. In next, we will see the fundamentals of the UAVs. These are very important for designing an aircraft.